Hi pupils of Oscott Manor, I hope you're all keeping well. Today's assembly is global goal number 5, which is gender equality.
By denying women equal rights, we deny half the population a chance to live life to the fullest.
At Oscott Manor, this is promoted through opportunities for all pupils to be able to participate in the same activities and lessons. For instance, girls and boys are both doing the same sports. They both have the same sort of support for careers and any trips and other things. It is the role and responsibility of both students and staff to ensure that there is no discrimination against any gender.
At Oscott Manor School, we promote equal opportunities through PSHE lessons, school council and the anti-bullying ambassadors.
Gender bias is undermining our social fabric and it devalues us all.
It is the role and responsibility of both students and staff to ensure that there is no discrimination against any gender.
At Oscott Manor School, we promote gender equal opportunities through the staffing structure. We have both male and female staff in all the roles within school, including the teaching assistants, teachers, cleaning staff, and within the senior leadership team.
Thank you for watching our assembly this week. We have highlighted a few ways of how we promote gender equality at Oscott Manor School, but can you think of any other ways that we do it, or any new ways that we could promote gender equality? Take care, everybody. Have a good week. Don't forget to watch Wednesday's assembly. Bye.